Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Spotify Premium MOD APK app not showing. So what you actually need to do is just do it in the legit way. So if you follow this step, it's going to work for you and it's 100% legal. So the first thing you just have to do is you have to go to your Spotify just like this, and you can just try out to actually subscribe to Pro for that to actually happen. Or what you need to do again is just go to your Play Store and search for Spotify what's kind music and both broadcasts. So you click on it, and what you need to do is update your app, and once it's updated you can open it up right like this, and boom. So this is just the legal way of actually fixing your Spotify Premium MOD APK app instead of using, or if you cannot actually subscribe to the Pro, you need to download YouTube Music, which is legal and free. So this is the only way you can actually do that. So you can just upload, install it, and you can enjoy your music. Or you can also download other music apps that you want to. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.